In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data in Zoho CRM. Whether you're looking to bring in new leads, manage contacts, or update existing deals, importing data effectively into Zoho CRM is crucial for maintaining an organized and efficient database. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific module you have in mind for importing, such as leads, contacts, or deals. Once you're in the right module, your journey begins by clicking on the More button, which may appear as 3 dots. From there, select Import to proceed to the next step. At this stage, you're given options on how you can upload your data. Choose Import from File, which allows you to upload your file in various formats like CSV, XLS, XLSX, or VCF. Though, a little tip here. If your file is larger than 5 megabytes, or contains more than approximately 5,000 records, it's best practice to use the CSV format for a smoother process. With your file ready and uploaded, it's time to make crucial decisions about the import behavior. You have several choices regarding how the data will be imported. If you're adding fresh data to your CRM, select Add New. If you're updating existing records, maybe by matching them through unique identifiers like record IDs or email addresses, Update Only is your go-to. Alternatively, you can choose both to add new data and update existing records simultaneously. Don't forget, there's an option here to skip blank cells, which can save time and effort later on in cleanups. Now let's talk about mapping, which is an essential part of the import process. Here, you will align the columns from your file with the fields in Zoho CRM. You can use the Auto Map feature, which will attempt to automatically match column names to CRM fields. For those columns that don't automatically map, you'll need to manually match them. And, if during this process you find that some new fields should be added, Zoho CRM allows you to create those fields on the fly, keeping your data comprehensive. As you near completion, there are a few optional settings you can configure. You can assign imported data based on owner rules to ensure it goes to the right team members. There's also the option to trigger specific workflows, assign follow-up tasks, or enable lead approval, which can be particularly useful for modules like leads, contacts, cases, or any custom modules you might use. Once everything is set up, start the import process and closely monitor the summary report generated. This report will provide important details on the success or failure of the import, helping you quickly identify and rectify any potential issues. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth and efficient data import process into your Zoho CRM, maximizing productivity and enhancing data management within your organization.